They're gonna feel like they got a good deal that was legit. And that's why this offer is insane. You're gonna want to watch this video. Today I'm gonna reveal the damage box offer. Before we get into the video, I'm gonna announce last video's winners for $1,000 worth of courses or consulting course with me. The winner's here. All you have to do is drop a comment below, like the video, screenshot that, send it to me on Instagram. Other than that, let's get right into the video. So today I'm gonna be talking about the damage box offer. This is a perfect marketing campaign to retarget all your store's visitors as well as your previous purchases. Where can you run this offer? You can run it with Facebook retargeting all your view contents, add to carts and purchases. You could send out an email blast. You could post it on your IG and Facebook page. What you want to do is basically take a photo. Let's say you sell products and you recently receive a shipment and it's broken, it's slightly damaged. What you want to do is take a photo of it, a realistic photo, take a crappy photo, make it look real, don't edit it, don't make it fancy, and be like, hey guys, we got 10 boxes that recently got shipped in that were damaged. We're offering 30% off, or you can do $10 off for all units within this limited shipment. The 10 boxes are gonna sell out fast. I have students making 5 to 10 grand every time they run this offer. Most customers don't even care about slightly swashed packaging, and this is real scarcity. And if you really want to up the ante, you could literally start throwing your boxes, smashing the boxes as they come in just to run this offer. This is real scarcity and it has real customer incentive. They see themselves as getting a 30% advantage on the company because they're getting a swashed package. So it lets the customer feel happy with the deal they're getting. Whereas if you just offer 30% off for a holiday, they don't really get much satisfaction. It's just, Black Friday. It happens every year and everyone's offering it. But something like this is limited. If they're able to get 30% off and receive a swashed package, they're gonna feel like they won. They're gonna feel like they got a good deal that was legit. And that's why this offer is insane. And yeah, that's about it. This video is gonna be really, really short. I wanna go straight to the point and just give you guys the strategy up front. I don't wanna give you guys a bunch of filler. I really wanna hear everyone's experiences, so drop a comment below explaining what's your favorite marketing campaign at the moment. If you want the slides from this video, they're completely free in the description below. I'm giving everything away. Don't forget to comment because you'll be able to get $1,000 worth of courses. Other than that, hope you guys are finding value in these videos. Be sure to subscribe, turn on your notification bell because I'll be dropping gold every single day. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.